Hey guys, it's me, Rachel. I had a request for this month's kudos, so I was going to be doing it, and I'm just going to put on my full makeup, just so the way y'all can see what I do. So, start with our primer. The primer, it helps keep everything sealed, that way you have a long-lasting performance of your makeup. And I put about a pea-size amount, which means this goes a long ways. And then I dot. And I've already moisturized and all that good stuff. I used a scrub. Not a mask, just a scrub. So my skin feels all smooth. Okay. So what I always do first is I go with my BB Flawless, because it's a moisturizer too. And it's winter, if I can not drop everything. It's winter, so it's cold here in Missouri. And so I keep moisturizer on all the time. And it's best to moisturize before your makeup, so that way you'll have like a clean look. You don't want flaky skin. Who wants that? And then just blend down your neck. Okay. Then next, I'm going on with our primer for our eyes. If I can find one, I did a live video last night, so everything is just scattered. Ooh, and I have to show y'all my new eyeliner. Yeah, the Mood Strike Dip and Draw. It's awesome, so I'm gonna put it right there so I don't lose it. What am I looking for again? Oh yeah, eye primer. Well,